If your Samsung top-load washer is making strange noises or not spinning, the belt could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll walk you through the process of testing and replacing it. Don't worry if it's your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a 10mm socket and channel lock pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water hoses so the washer can be moved easily. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. I'm setting it on its back to make it easier for you to see the process. Inspect the drive belt for any signs of damage or looseness. If the belt is able to pinch together 1/4 inch or more, the belt is too loose. If the belt is broken or loose, it will need to be replaced. If the belt is not broken or loose, something else is causing your washer to not spin or agitate. Grab your 10mm socket again and loosen the motor bolts to remove the drive belt. Here's the old belt and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the drive belt, then lift up on the motor to create proper belt tension while tightening the motor bolts. Set the washer upright, connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job on getting your Samsung top-load washer back in tip-top shape by replacing that belt. We'd love to hear about your repair experience, so feel free to share your story in the comments below. If you still need a new belt or any other part, just grab your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through the repair, and we're excited to help you tackle your next appliance project.